Hi friends, in this tutorial we are going to learn about an introduction of relational databases. For that, first of all, we have to learn about what is relational database management system. A relational database management system is a term used to describe an entire suite of programs for both managing a relational database and communicating with that relational database engine. In other words, a relational database management system is both the database engine and any other tools that come with it. Our next topic is advantages of rdbms. In that, it uses object-oriented programming concept. It is highly secured. In this, multiple users can access, which is not possible in DBMS. It is relational. It avoids data redundancy problem using normal forms. It performs only insert and retrieve. It supports data independence. It has scalability. It has reliability. And it has one management interface. Then we have to learn about relational algebra. In addition to establishing and maintaining the individual tuples, there are also facilities for manipulating entire relations. The operation of relational algebra allow us to select. It is used to extract tuples to form a new relation. Project. It is used to extract attributes to form a new relation. Join. It is used to add attributes from one relation to another relation. Product. It is used to combine all the tuples of one relation with all those of another relation. Union. It is used to join two relations to form a new relation. And intersect. It is used to form a new relation from two relations where the key values are the same. Then we are going to discuss very important topic, which is concept of relational database. In that, relationships, constraints, triggers, stored procedures, tables, views, indexes, keys, in that primary keys, composite keys and foreign keys. And our last concept is locking. In that, optimistic locking, pessimistic locking. First concept is relationships of databases. An entity does not exist in isolation but is associated with other entities by means of a relationship. Types of relationships. First is one-to-one relationship. Second is one-to-many relationship. And third is many-to-many relationship. Then our next topic is triggers. Database triggers are PL/SQL, Java or C procedures that run implicitly whenever a table or view is modified or when some user actions or database system actions occur. Database triggers can be used in a variety of ways for managing your database. Then our next topic is procedures. Procedures means language in which user requests information from the database. Then categories of languages. Procedural languages and non-procedural or declarative languages. Then pure languages. It has three types: relational algebra, tuple relational calculus and domain relational calculus. Then next concept is tables and views. First, tables. Table, it is a set of columns that contain data, In the old days, a table was called a file. Row. It is a set of columns from a table reflecting a record. Second, views. A view is a virtual table having predefined columns and joins to one or more tables, reflecting a specific fact of information. Then our next concept is indexes and keys. Index. It is an object that allows for fast retrieval of table rows. Every primary key and foreign key should have an index for retrieval speed. Primary key, often designated PK, is one or more columns in a table that makes a record unique. Foreign key, often designated FK, is a common column common between two tables that define the relationship between those two tables. Then our last concept is locking. Locking is a conservative approach in which conflicts are prevented. Types of locking. First is pessimistic locking and second is optimistic locking. Locking is pessimistic because it assumes that conflicts will happen. Optimistic in that delay other exits during critical section. And restart exits involved in conflicts.